Random Entertainment presents Trains at Financial Quarter in SCR. Here is the delayed 1729 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria 707097 with a honk tone.
A member of the train crew being unavailable. Your attention, please.
My God, how many cancellations is there going to be? Here is the delayed 1730 Metro service to Stepford Victoria.
For the 1730 Metro service to Stepford
And chill
Victoria.
out with the speed. From what I hear,
Your
the
attention,
555025 over there is
Connect
holding up two trains. I hear a 357 and a 707. And Mr. Finn the Frog 45 is for some reason surfing on the train. Hurry up already, driver. Mouse. Unfortunately, due to lagging issues and a train holding up most of the other trains, I have to rejoin another server and join a different financial quarter. Here we have 707088 working the 1735 service to Stepford Victoria. And here's 357177, I think, going to Leighton City, I believe. And here we have 357 361, completely missing the goddamn station. Here we have a 357. Can't figure out what it is, going to Stepford Airport Central. But once again, it missed the goddamn station. Everyone's driving like drunk skunks. That totally makes sense. 1723 and it's 1739. Yeah, that definitely makes sense. Random Entertainment present Trains at City Hospital in SCR. Here we have the 1741 Metro service to Stepford Victoria. Here we have the 1741 service to Stepford Victoria departing any minute. Glitching ground. Anyway, here's 717082 heading for Stepford Victoria.
Is a metro service to...
Sorry about that.
Your attention, please.
Sorry about that. But services at City Hospital were very low. There was 3 trains coming in the next 20 or so minutes. So we have scrapped trains at City Hospital. Random Entertainment apologizes for the inconvenience. For an apology, Random Entertainment presents Trains at Benton. Random Entertainment presents Trains at Benton in SCR. Here we have 180-115 working the 1741 Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea.
Welcome on board the Stepford Express.
Here we have 180. We have 180, 155. Over in the distance, you can see a 357
and Leighton City.
something going
This train
to
is formed
Leighton
of
City.
4 coaches. The train now standing
And
at
now we
platform
have
9 is the 1744.
the
Stepford
1744
Express
Stepford
service to
Express service to
Stepford
Stepford Central.
Calling out.
Only
This
stopping at
train is
Stepford
formed
Central.
of-
Here we have 195066 going to Greenslade. Here we have the 1747 Waterline service to Greenslade.
Stepford Airport Central has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being...
Here we have the
This train is formed
1747
of 5
Stepford Express
coaches.
service
First
to
class is
Lynn by
located
the
at the front
Sea.
of the train.
This dude's going a bit fast for my likings. With 397065. There we have
Stepford Central
the
only.
service to Lynn by the Sea, and over there's a 397 going to Stepford Central, but I will be there in a second. Here is 397025.
50 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central. Calling out.
There
Stepford
is
Connect
397025 going
is delayed by approximately
to Stepford
6
Central
minutes.
now.
We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
This service to Benton Central. This
And
train
over
is
here we have 397008 going to Stepford Central now. Calling at St. Helens Bridge and Stepford Central.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Stepford.
6
Here we have
Express
the
service
delayed
to Lynn by the Sea
1752
has been cancelled.
Waterline service from Morganstown
This is due to a member of the train crew
165027.
being unavailable.
What on earth is that monstrosity? And here we have Mr. Carrot Man working 165127 from Benton to Morganstown.
Parade. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Here it goes. Here we have 357366 working from Stepford Victoria to Leighton City.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect.
Well, so I've started to just keep on saying what they're doing from. Here we have a 165 double at front 165088 from Esterfield to Benton.
Benton, Morganstown Docks, Whitney Green, and Greenslade. Due to a short platform, passengers for Morganstown Docks and Whitney Green should travel in the front 3 coaches. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Here we have 165022 and 165088 going from Benton to Greenslade.
Service to Connolly. Calling at Cambridge Street Parkway, Ashland Park, and Connolly.
Here we have 195066 doing Greenslade to Benton. Here we have 195066 working from Benton to Greenslade.
Of 2 coaches.
Here we have the 1801 service to Esterfield. From Newry to Esterfield. And off I go to Rosedale Village on 143644 from Newry to Esterfield.
This Waterline service to Esterfield, Cambridge Street Parkway, Airport West, James Street, Farley, Rosedale Village and Esterfield. Please be arriving at Cambridge Street Parkway. Change here for services to Connolly. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Random Entertainment brings you trains at, drumroll please, West Wyvern in SCR. We are sorry to announce that the trains at West Wyvern today is cancelled. This is due to only 2 trains, and the next one is at 18:24, and I'm currently filming this at 18:03. For an apology, Random Entertainment gives you Sally on the trains at St. Helens Bridge. Here we have 185198 working the 18:05 service from Stepford Central to Stepford Airport Central.
This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
We are extremely sorry, but trains at St. Helens Bridge is also cancelled. This is due to a very small lack of trains in between the time 18:08 and 18:23, with only 4 trains. We will give you an apology of trains at Stepford High Street. Trains at Stepford High Street in SCR. You have to be kidding me. Sorry, but it's also been cancelled. Look, we are very sorry. We will give you trains at... Here's trains at Stepford Central. I'm sorry of all the cancellations of things. Here we have an Airlink service from Stepford Central to Airport Terminal 2. Here we have 357348 working from Stepford Victoria to Stepford Airport Central.
Platform 9 terminates here.
Here we have 717060 working from Stepford United Football Club to Stepford Victoria.
This is a metro service to...
We have 380117 working from Stepford Victoria to Stepford Airport Terminal 2. We have 800-273 working from Stepford Central to Benton.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express.
Next thing you'll see is the 1819 service
Hampton Hargate, Wharton Newton,
by the
Rocket
sea.
Parade, Leighton,
Calling
Stepford
at.
Road, Leighton City, Edgemead,
Calling
Framing,
at Stepford East,
Wester
St.
Coast,
Helens Bridge,
Millcastle,
etc.
West Wyvern,
Millcastle,
Starry Lock, North
Starry
Shore,
Lock, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. I forgot about West
This train
Wyvern.
is formed of
And
5
all the
coaches.
36,484 other stations. There's 3 pages of station. Here you have 707048 going from Stepford Central to Lynn by the Sea. With a tone as well.
Your attention, please.
Here we have 357377 working from Benton to Stepford Central. Unknown original destination, but it eat the buffer.
Via Stepford Airport Central.
Over here we have 755015 going from Stepford Central to Airport Terminal 2. We seem to have a lot of Airlink trains today. That train over there is the 3rd.
12 terminates here.
And anyway, here's the 1823 Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2. Somehow the next stop's Airport Central? That's surprising.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2. We include
Platform 11 for the 8.
Right over here are some 185s, but I've got to go film something else, so here they are. Over in the distance you could very faintly see a 68 going to Willowfield. Righty over here has 185, 183 and 185, 162 going to Airport Terminal 2.
Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
Another Airlink train appeared. Right over here is right over here is 802222 working
This train
from
terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
Airport Central to Stepford Central. I can't even remember where we are. Thank you for watching this compilation of trains at random SCR stations. We are very sorry for the inconveniences of many trains at videos being cancelled due to very low demand of trains. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, or I will lock you in one of the closed elevators of Angel Pass. You heard the man right.